Hi, I'm Joe Wagner, winemaker and viticulturalist for Belle Glos. Today, I'd like to talk about our Clark Telephone Vineyard Pinot Noir. It's located in the Santa Maria Valley of Santa Barbara County. It's a 100% Martini clone. What I really love most about this clone, matched with this area, the climate, and the soil, is that you create a Pinot Noir full of spice characters. Our preference is to leave the fruit out hanging on the vine longer than most. Hang time allows a lot of those concentrated flavors to come forward. Some of the physical attributes, such as what we call this orange peel, is something that we look for in the vineyard that would signify how close we are to harvest. It's a slight dimpling of each berry. It's going to concentrate what is in the tank and therefore the characters in the wine. We like to see dark, fully ripe skins, brown seeds. We do believe that as long as the chemistry is there, as long as the health of the vine is there, that we're getting some amazing flavor and structural components out of the fruit, which will be reflected in the resulting wine. Right out of the gate, it comes across as a very forward Pinot Noir in its youth. It's already full of spice. It's got a nice bright berry core to it, full of cumin, brown sugar, cinnamon, allspice, those kinds of things. Very sweet spices, very soft character on the palate. It envelops your palate very nice, has a beautiful velvety weight to it, and along with those really bright berry notes, and those creamy, spicy characters, I really adore this wine. As far as pairings, I would go out of the box with this. I'd do Thai food, even Mexican food, possibly Chinese food. I've had this with Peking duck before, and that crispy skin, and that heavy salt, and that heavy 5 spice, I really think it goes beautifully with this wine. This wine has what it takes to back up those extremely heavily flavored dishes, while at the same time respecting them and making them come to life along with the wine.